I have the Samsung Galaxy A34 and I'll be showing you how to hide notification content from the lock screen of this phone. So you might have notifications allowed on the lock screen, but you don't want the content of that notification to be read or to be able to be opened or seen from the lock screen. Okay, so what you need to do is go into settings. On the main settings page, go to notifications, tap on that, and then go to lock screen notifications, tap on that, and then with notifications on the lock screen allowed, make sure you select hide content. Okay, if you find that content is being shown on the lock screen, then that might be the reason. It might be selected to show content, so make sure you select hide content, and that's going to show notifications on the lock screen, but it's going to hide the content of those notifications. And that is basically how to hide notification contents from the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy A34. Now that's an umbrella setting. If you want to hide notification contents for specific apps, then you can simply leave it on show content, but then tap on the settings icon and then turn it off for specific apps. So for instance, WhatsApp, you can hide the contents of the notifications from the lock screen on WhatsApp, and you can go ahead and disable for the specific apps that you want. Okay, but if you want to disable all content, or basically if you want to hide all content from lock screen notifications, that's the option to select. Okay, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.